How to schedule a meeting in HubSpot. To schedule a meeting in HubSpot, follow the steps based on whether you're using the desktop mobile app. Navigate to the records section. Right now, once you go to the records section, here you will find this option of all this database and everything, sales record and everything. So you can go to the search bar and here you can find for records. Right now here you will get this option right now and select the record. Click on the name of the record for which you want to schedule a meeting. Access meeting tool. Now once I go to the company section here, you will get this lot of option right now, and here you can just go and click on create a new company if you want to do this, or here there's more features option, right? And here you can just go and click on records or meeting and everything, right? So here you can just add it. For example, if I just search for meet, that I can get it or not, or here it is, right? So here you can just go and click on meeting tool, and from here you can create it, and it is been added to this company. Right now, then select schedule a meeting. A pop-up box with your connected calendar will appear. Choose the duration from the drop-down menu. Click on desired time of your calendar, enter a title for your everything, the information which is required, finalize and save. Now this is how you can do this automatically. It will send an option to that email if you have scheduled a meet. And this is it. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe.